Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. My name is Jennifer, and I will be the host for today's webinar, Top Benefits of Moving to a Modern Requirements Management Tool. We have a great group of attendees tuning in from all over the world, but before we jump in, I want to go over a few quick housekeeping items. At the bottom of your screen are multiple application widgets that you can use. You can expand your side area or maximize it to full screen by clicking on the arrows in the top right corner. If you have any questions during the webinar, you can submit them through the QA widget. We will be moderating the questions throughout the presentation, so please ask them as they come up, and we'll be sure to answer as many as we can at our conclusion. If we don't get to your question in the live session, we'll be sure to answer it offline. A copy of today's slide deck and additional help materials are available in the resource list. We encourage you to download any resources or links that you may find useful. You can find additional answers to some common technical issues located in the help widget at the bottom of your screen. Lastly, this webinar will be recorded and sent via the email you registered with. It will also be available later to watch on the Jama website. For today's webinar, Top Benefits of Moving to a Modern Requirements Management Tool, we'll be hearing from Jama experts on the upside of migrating from a legacy requirements management solution and how it's much easier than you might think. Now I'd like to introduce today's presenters, Perillat and Darcy Moss. Perillat is a Senior Solutions Architect with Jama Software. Aaron has 10+ years of experience in software engineering world with a focus around requirements in industrial and automotive technologies. In addition, Aaron has a deep understanding of regulated and risk-sensitive industries, working with Jama prospects and customers to recommend process improvements to achieve traceability across their product development process and help ease the burden of increasingly complex and competitive ecosystems. Darcy Moss is a product marketing manager at Jama Software. Darcy is responsible for supporting go-to-market strategies to maximize the customer value of the solutions built and delivered. Darcy has expertise in product marketing and management across enterprise software and professional service organizations. She brings 20+ years of experience in software engineering, product management, and marketing across a variety of vertical industries and is adept at creating both strategic and tactical direction to meet business objectives for the digital-enabled enterprise. Darcy is also passionate about helping development teams get the most value that they can out of Jama Software. Aaron and Darcy, thank you both so much for joining us today. We're looking forward to an insightful and informative presentation. I'll let you two take it from here.
Thank you for the introductions, Jennifer. Let's begin with a review of current challenges and customer impact that result from using a legacy requirements management solution. This information is a summary of data resulting from our current customer feedback as well as independent research into this topic. Some current challenges include a forecasted decline in legacy tool adoption exists in the market today. In our research, we found an overwhelming low satisfaction rate of customers using legacy RM tools like IBM Doors. This is due to the complex nature of the tools and the time required to support adoption across organizations. Poor support services were a common experience expressed by many customers, which lead to several challenges, including low tool adoption. Users described legacy tools that require extensive administration, which can lead to the requirement of expertly trained resources to administer the tool. Teams using Agile concepts and development methodologies were challenged to adopt the legacy RM tool, which also led to challenges of their teams using the tool that were very innovative across departments. This also led to some teams desiring a best-of-breed tool that they could use in an open ecosystem. How does this impact the business? These challenges with legacy tools can lead to business disruption. with an inability to move quickly to meet new business demands in innovative markets, reduced productivity and added user frustration, increased administration and resource overhead to administer the tool, missed opportunities in the market. In regulated markets, increased exposure to risk. And ultimately, this can lead to increased operational cost with a loss opportunity of unused software, which can increase risk. Let's take a few minutes and review key feedback we are hearing from users in the market. User feedback can be found on market-leading crowdsourced sites like Trustradius. In reviewing this feedback, we found that users are comparing tools for legacy replacement with a keen interest in areas that include a user interface. Is it modern and easy to use? Support services. Are teams available to support adoption and ongoing needs? Tool adoption itself. How does the organization support this? Challenges experienced with prior tools is readily expressed on these sites and reviews. Traceability features and reporting to support regulated markets and assist them to prove compliance for audits. And collaboration across teams. How do the tools support this? A great resource for ALM tools in general is a recent report published by Trustradius on applications lifecycle management tools. Don't take our word for it. Have a deeper look and learn how users have rated these tools. To summarize, key reasons why customers move to a modern requirements management solution include high adoption through an easy, intuitive, modern user interface, deployment models that provide flexibility to address the client's unique needs and manageable cost of ownership, full traceability that allows requirements to be tracked with decisions made to support audits in regulated markets, an open architecture that provides a best-of-breed requirements management solution with the ability to integrate across the full applications lifecycle and product lifecycle management tool set, providing your engineers with the tools they want to work with. Backed by superior customer support and services teams to get you up and running quickly and take the guesswork out of the setup. Now that you understand the reasons to move, how do you go about this journey while minimizing any current business disruption? We will now transition to give a view into a proven alternative to a legacy requirements management solution and how the process of migration can be performed to ease this transition to a modern requirements management solution.
Okay, thank you for that.